Hi everybody, Terry Brown here. Thanks so much for taking a few moments to check out this my new video today. And I've got a really great thought I want to share with you by Albert Einstein. And Albert Einstein says that in the middle of difficulty lies opportunity. What a great quote that is. In the middle of difficulty lies opportunity. Just think if when we're going through some tough times, man, we can think about that there, okay, that there in the midst of that difficulty, in the midst of that trouble, there's opportunity. Man, boy, that's kind of powerful, isn't it? I love that. Okay, so introducing this program, which I'm going to be, sharing about it for a while because I think it is really a great program. And what I love about the program is that it's a program for people that don't have a couple $100 to start a business. Okay, but if people can get together $50 one time out of pocket, then this is a great business because $50 one time out of pocket, then you can make you can receive $50 payments over and over again direct to the payment processor of your choice. So think about it. One time, $50 out of pocket, but you're able to receive multiple $50 payments direct to you. Nobody touches your money. So it's $50 direct. You can do this on a daily basis. We have advertising resources for you. We'll help you get going. Okay. 100% commission goes to you. And yes, it really is time to make money. Okay. So here's the question. What would you do with an extra $500 to $1,000 or more per month? And that's something to think about. Would you pay down credit cards? Would you apply that extra money to your car note or to your mortgage or rent? Would you create a vacation or recreation fund? I mean, think about what would you do with an extra $500 to $1,000 per month. It is very possible with this opportunity. Okay. Just a couple things I want to share with you really quickly here. One is this: you can use the payment processor of your choice. I just want to make sure you get that. Stripe, okay, Facebook Pay, Oru, Zelle, Cash App, or Google Pay. And so any payment processor that you want to use, you can do that with this system. Okay. There's a video, 3-minute video that you can check out on the page that actually, gives information about the program. And so you don't need a website because the page that you'll get with the system, all right, is a high converting web page. Okay. And so if you look here for me, it says no website needed. So you don't need a website. It's an easy, simple system. Okay. And this is an easy, simple system that works. You'll be able to get my advertising resources when you join me. Okay. And you can earn a great extra income. All right. I do want to mention about the page that you're looking at. This is a splash page that I built with my little system I get with autoresponder, splash page builder, and a host of other things, okay, that this little program has. And so if you wanted to use something like that, you can. You don't really need to do that, okay? But I just wanted to make you aware of that. All right. And so I'm going to click here, and this is going to take me to the page that you're going to be sharing with people Facebook groups, Facebook, safe lists, traffic exchanges. Okay. Again, I've got the advertising resources that I'm going to share with you. Okay. But as you can see, here's this video. All right. That's a 3-minute video. And it says, discover how to turn this page into your page that generates direct $50 payments to you. As you can see, I use Google Pay, Cash App, and Zelle. Those are just processors that I like, and so they're ones that I use. Okay, and I'm just going to go down the page a little bit. Okay, it says don't miss out on this: education tools plus payments straight to your inbox. 5 resale rights products. Okay, you'll get those. Copy of this web page that you're looking at now. Reseller license, direct payments. And again, this is a high converting web page. It's simple, but yet it's very powerful. Okay, and this is going to do the work for you. Okay, so I'm going to leave a couple of links. Okay, if you ever wanted to wanted a small marketing system, $10 a month, does all kinds of things for you, then I'm going to leave a link where you can build and create some splash pages. It's autoresponder, does all kinds of incredible stuff for $10 a month. Okay, you can do that. And I'm going to leave the link to one of my splash pages where you can come directly, and you go directly to the page that you'll use if you're not going to use a splash page, which you don't need to. And I want to make that clear. You don't need to do that. But if you wanted to, that information will be available for you in the description area of this video. Okay, so I'm going to shut this video down. My family came in and started making all kinds of racket. And so I don't know if it's coming through the mic. It might be, but nonetheless, again, I want to thank you so much for taking a few moments to stop by and check out this video today. I'm Terry Brown. I'm wishing you a blessed and wonderful day today. Bye-bye now.